to our left. Twist them up twice. We take a minor setback whenever we have that happen, 50% of the time. Okay, that's as far as we can go here, so we position as many of these in that we can. We can get 2 out of 4, either these two or these two. Okay, let's go to its polar opposite of blue, which is green. We have us a yellow and orange. So with yellow facing us, orange is off to our right. We move this piece off to our left. Twist this up. Turn him twice to catch him. Turn him down. Okay, now we find another one that's out of place. We have these 4 that are out of place. It looks like we have nothing here. All of these are in place, so let's go to the polar opposite. These 4 are in place, so we've got to choose us one and be consistent with it. I will choose red and yellow. So we will grab our red and yellow. Okay, that makes this one available, this blue and red. Blue is on top, so blue needs to face us. Okay, and red's off to our left. So turn him up, catch it, turn him down. Okay, we have us a red and orange, or blue and orange rather. Blue is on top, so we want blue facing us. Our orange is off to our right. Catch him. Now once again, we're where we can't go any further. So we need to catch our piece, but in order for our magic to work, we have to make sure it's the same piece we used last time. Red and yellow. Otherwise our method won't work. That's part of the magic. You have to choose the same one. Okay, here's our green and red. Red's on top, so red's facing us. Green's off to our right. So position this piece off to our left. Twist him up. Catch him. Twist him down. Okay, here we have a red and blue. Red's on top. So red needs to face us. Okay, here's a green and red. I should have been done, but I probably got a red and orange confused in doing this through the LCD. So, no harm done though. But somewhere I'm sure that I put a piece in wrong and didn't put it where I said I was. So here's red and green. Red will be facing us. Green's off to our left. Turn him up twice. Catch him. Turn him down. Okay, here's our green and orange. Orange is on top, so orange is facing us here. Whatever color is there we want facing us. And green's over exactly opposite of this one, so we're ready. Turn him up. Catch him. And if everything went well, and when we turn our top, all 4 are in place. That completes our edges. Now we look for a face, say yellow, that's got at least 2 corners that also have yellow in them. That one does not have yellow. We've only got one with yellow, so we can't use that one. Here's a face, green. They don't have to necessarily be flipped right, but green is certainly useful because that's got green in it, that's got green. So we could use green. We can also use orange because there's an orange, there's an orange. It doesn't have to be flipped to the top. Just one of these corners has to have orange in it if we use orange. I am going to use green. Okay, if possible, if you have all 4 greens up here, you won't be able to find one down here. But if you can find a green at the polar opposite of this, and put it at your right and bottom. But if not, then we won't worry about it. And then we'll use a 4-move sequence to place all our pieces in place. We have green, red, yellow. which belongs right here. Green, red, yellow. So you run this 4-move sequence, which is our right side down, our bottom to our left, our right side up, our bottom to our right. And we're just going to repeat that till our piece is in place. What that move sequence does is it trades these two places, but every time it trades it, it puts a twist on it. Okay, that green is now in place. We have us a green here that's green, white, orange. So move to green, white, orange. We will go through our move sequence. It can take up to 5 times to get a piece placed. 5 of our move sequences. Okay, we got that one in place. Then, when we get all 3 done, we go to our last one, and we go till everything's repaired. There's a 1 in 3 chance it will already be repaired, which is how it is right now. So I'll just run through our move sequence to show what it looks like if you get there and it isn't. You'll get something that looks wrong. This piece is wrong, this one's wrong, that one's wrong. We just got a bunch of stuff wrong. So we run through our move sequence. Things are still wrong. Let's do it again. Okay, everything is correct. Now every once in a blue moon, all 4 of these will be in the right place at this point. But if they're not, then this is going to be the corner we choose when we go to our polar opposite. Let's line things up here. Now let's go to the polar opposite, green. Or blue rather, it looked green in my LCD. Okay, here's a blue, yellow, and orange. It belongs up here. And here I'm going to do all 4 corners, then I'm going to return back to this corner and use him to repair my damage. This one's going to take 5 times to put in place. And just an aside note, you don't need to bother putting this one totally twisted right because it's going to be our last piece anyway. But until you're comfortable with, then just follow the rules of the solution and don't take shortcuts. Okay, this one belongs right here. He's blue, yellow, red. Now every once in a while you'll get one down here that doesn't have a color on the top, in which case you just have to bring one from the... In fact, I'll force that situation right now just to show you how to deal with it. You'll wind up with, after you put a piece in place, you'll wind up with out blue down here. So what you'll have to do is just take one with blue on it, say this one, and trade it for this one. Okay, this blue, red, white belongs right here. Blue, red, white. So we'll run this 4-move sequence till that one's in place. Now we have blue, white, orange. We'll run that 4-move sequence until this one is in place. And 1 out of 3 times, once it's in place, we have us a solved cube. I wasn't expecting that. But the other 2 out of 3 times, I'll just have to pause the camera for a second. Okay, I'm back to show you what you normally get. We're going to run through our moves until this one is in place.